Imagine, it's morning, your house is filled with an incredible aroma. You open the oven, and there it is. A fluffy, juicy, incredibly airy cottage cheese casserole that just melts in your mouth. And yes, it's made with the simplest ingredients. This recipe is a true power breakfast. It's perfect for kids, teenagers, and anyone who needs energy for the whole day. No chemicals, just natural, wholesome foods. It's super easy to make, and the result is simply wow. Today, I'll show you step-by-step how to make this casserole. Stay until the end. I'll reveal the secret ingredient that makes it so incredibly fluffy. Let's get started. Let's start with the base. Take 3 eggs and carefully crack them into a deep bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Whisk it well until it's frothy and smooth. Now pour in 50 grams of warm milk and add 300 grams of cottage cheese. It's best to use medium-fat cottage cheese, around 5% or 9%. It gives the casserole that signature tenderness and juiciness. Mix until combined. Next, add 50 grams of melted butter and 1.5 tablespoons of sour cream. The sour cream is the secret to our casserole's softness. It makes the texture creamy and incredibly airy. Did you mix it all well? Great. Now, let's move on to the dry ingredients. Sift 250 grams of flour. Sifting is crucial. It aerates the flour, making the casserole even fluffier. Then add 80 grams of rolled oats. But pay attention. You need to soak the oats in warm water for 10 to 15 minutes beforehand so they get soft. Now for the most delicious part, the fillings. Add 80 grams of raisins, washed and dried. Then add 80 grams of chopped walnuts. You can lightly toast the nuts in a dry pan. The aroma will be absolutely amazing. Grate 100 grams of apple on a coarse grater. The apple adds incredible juiciness and a slight tartness that pairs perfectly with the cottage cheese. Finally, add 8 grams of dry yeast. This is exactly what makes our casserole truly airy and fluffy, like a cloud. Gently fold everything from the bottom up to keep the batter airy. The batter should be thick, but not heavy. Let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes so the yeast can start working. Subscribe to the channel so more people will see this video. While the batter is resting, let's prep the baking dish. Grease it with butter and lightly dust it with flour or semolina. This guarantees the casserole will slide right out without sticking. Spread half of the batter into the dish and smooth it out. Now, the secret filling layer. Take dried apricots and prunes, chop them finely, and spread them in an even layer on top. This isn't just about taste. It's a powerhouse of vitamins, potassium, iron, and fiber. A total game changer for kids. Spread the remaining batter on top and smooth it out. You can decorate the top with halved nuts or thin apple slices. It will look beautiful and appetizing. Let the casserole rest in the dish for another 10 minutes so it can rise. Heat in a frying pan. Grease the pan with oil. Add a few drops of liquid oil, solar, corn, or olive oil, and spread the batter evenly over the pan. I sometimes dust with cocoa powder. You can also sprinkle with semolina and line the pan with baking parchment beforehand. A few dried apricots and prunes wouldn't hurt. Grease with butter or an egg yolk and milk. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. This option is the easiest and simplest method. See how to bake in the oven. Which method is best for you? How to check if it's done? Insert a wooden skewer into the center. It should come out clean. The top should be a beautiful golden brown. Here it is, our casserole. Look how much it has risen. Let it cool in the dish for about 10 minutes, then carefully take it out. Let's slice it. Look at that texture, airy, porous, and juicy. You can serve it with sour cream, honey, fresh berries, or just as it is. It's so delicious, it doesn't need anything extra. Kids absolutely love it, especially for breakfast. This casserole is a true power breakfast. It's packed with protein from the cottage cheese and eggs, complex carbs from the oats, healthy fats from the nuts, and vitamins from the fruits and dried fruits. The perfect start to the day for the whole family. If you enjoyed this recipe, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss a new recipe. Let me know in the comments, what do you like to add to your cottage cheese casserole? See you next time, and bon appetit!